Okay, oftentimes people will seek my help when trying to diagnose Radio Shack Expansion Interface for the Model 1 computer, and I'll mention something that I call the click test, which I'll explain to you. So when you turn the expansion interface on and off with its power button, it energizes this cassette relay here. As you're pressing it on, this comes on at the same time, but when you turn the power off, this one de-energizes around a quarter of a second later. So it's a good way to tell if your power supply is supplying good power and if your power supply section on the expansion interface board is working properly. So I'll try and show you, and hopefully you'll be able to hear the click. You'll definitely, when you've got the expansion interface board out of its case, be able to see the cassette relay energize, but if you don't want to remove it from the case, you can hear the audible click. So as I switch it on, you'll see the cassette relay click on. Now when I switch it off, hopefully you'll be able to hear and see on the relay clack. So I let the button go, and then a moment later you hear a clack. I'll do it again. So that's on. As I switch it off, listen for a clack from the back of the expansion interface, because this is the front here and this is the back. That's your disk drive connector and everything. So if this relay is clicking on and off properly, then you can be sure when you're diagnosing your expansion interface that the power supply is all working properly, the power switch is working, your power supply is supplying power properly. Then you can start proceeding to diagnose other problems such as your RAM or your floppy controller or whatever else is causing problems on your system. So that's the click test. I'll do it once more. Power it on, and then as I switch it off, listen for this to switch off. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.